Now, if you see median, if x1, x2, xn be n observations given, then the median you calculate by this formula. You will have to see how many observations are given to you. If the number of observations given to you is odd, right? Suppose 5 observations are given to you, then 5 is odd, then you are going to use this. That means the median will be n by 2 plus 1th observation. If, however, you find out that the number of observations given to you is even, let us say 10 observations are given to you, 10 is an even number, then you are going to calculate the median with the help of this n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Now let's see how to apply this formula. Okay, let us see the first example. If you see here, the question is calculate the median of these numbers. Okay, now the numbers given to you are given numbers or observations are 2, 3, 4, 3, 0, 5, 1, 1, 3, and 2. Okay. So first of all, you count here. Okay, how many you have? If you see here, you have 10 observations. 10 numbers are given. Number of the observations n is equal to 10, and 10 is an even number, right? Now when calculating the median, the first thing that you have to do is after seeing how many observations are given to you, you must arrange the numbers in ascending order. So the given numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? From the lowest number to the highest number you arrange. Okay. So first, if you see, the lowest number here is 0. The next lowest, if you see, is 1, but 1 you have twice, so you'll write it twice. Okay. The next highest number that you see is 2. But how many 2s can you see? You can see 2 at the beginning and you can see 2 at the last. So you have 2 2s. Then if you see, there are the next observation is 3. And how many 3s are there? There are 3 3s. 3 is repeated thrice, right? And you have 4 after 3. You're going to write 4. And you're going to write a 5, right? So all the numbers have been arranged in ascending order. Now, if you see from the formula here, if n is even, we are going to apply this. That is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So what is the median here? Therefore, median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now n here is 10. So put n is equal to 10. That means 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. So 5th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1 means 6th observation, right? 5 plus 1. Okay, so now you have to locate the 5th observation and the 6th observation. Because you have arranged in ascending order, starting from this side, which one is the 5th observation? First, second, third, fourth, and here you have your 5th observation. So your 5th observation here is 2. So you're going to write 2 here, right? Plus, and then the 6th observation. This is your 6th observation. 6th observation here is 3. 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. So therefore, the median is 2.5. Right? Any question? Now, remember, at this step, many people make mistakes. This is 5th observation. And this is not 5 plus 1, 5 plus 6 by 2, right? So this will be wrong. This is fifth observation plus sixth observation. Okay, so be very careful here. Okay, let us see the next problem. In a science test given to a group of students, marks scored by them out of 100 are. So marks that are given to you are these. Okay, question is find the median, find the mean and the median of the data. Okay. Okay, so first calculation of mean. We'll first calculate the mean. Okay. In the calculation of mean, in mean you don't need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So you can take x1 is equal to 41, x2 is equal to 39, and so on. You can continue this till how many observations are given? There are 15 observations. You'll reach till x15 is equal to 52, right? So now you will apply the formula for mean. Mean is equal to mean x bar is equal to summation x divided by n, right? Which is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on up till x15 divided by number of observations is 15, right? Now you're going to add up everything. 41 plus 39 plus 52 and so on up till 52. You're going to add all this divided by 15. Okay, so addition will come out to be 822 divided by 15, and 822 divided by 15 can calculate to be 54.8, and that is the required mean. Okay, the second part is to calculate the median of the data. The calculation of median. And median, remember, the first thing that you do in median is to arrange the given observations or the marks in ascending order from the lowest to the highest. Okay, so the given numbers or the given marks in ascending order the lowest among the observations is 39. Next is 40. But you have 40 twice. So you'll write 40 twice. And then the next highest is 41. And then 42, 46, 48. 52 is repeated thrice in the observation. So you'll write 52 thrice. And then you have 54. And then you have 60. You have 62. And then 96. And then 98. So here, if you see n, as you have seen, there are 15 observations given. Again, 15 is odd, right? So therefore, what should be the median? You're going to calculate median from this formula here, right? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Write down the formula first. Median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Oh, this is odd. Okay, you're going to use the first one, not this. This is for even. Okay. So here n is 15, here n is odd. So we are going to change the formula here. Median is simply n plus 1 by 2th observation. In case n is even, what is the formula here? N plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay. So this is 15, n is 15 plus 1 by 2th observation, which is equal to 16 by 2th observation, which is equal to 8th observation. And what is the eighth observation? Because you have arranged in ascending order, you start counting from here. The eighth observation. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. This is the eighth observation. So this, your median is 52. Okay. Any question till this part?
No, sir.
So this is easy enough, right? We'll see the next one. Question is, the following observation have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 47.5, right? Find the value of X. Okay, so the given observations are, they are given observation in ascending order. They have already arranged for you in ascending order. Okay, so you don't need to arrange. The given observations in ascending order is 17, 21, 23, 29, 39, 40, and then you have an unknown X. Then you have a 50, 51, 54, 59, 67, 91, and 93. Count the number of observations. How many observations are here? If you count, the total number of data gathered is given to you here is 14, which is even, right? So what should be the median? We are going to use the second formula, right? So median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now n is equal to 14, so 14 by 2th observation plus 14 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. 14 by 2th observation is nothing but 7th observation. You divide 14 by 2, you get 7 plus 14 by 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8th observation divided by 2. So now if you see 7th observation and 8th observation, from here this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 7th observation is X. So you write here X plus, and the 8th observation is 50. So you write 50 divided by 2. This is the median. But how much is the median given to you? Median is given to you as 47.5. So according to the problem, X plus 50 by 2 must be equal to 47.5. So from here you can calculate the value of X. Cross multiply. X plus 50 is equal to 47.5 into 2. Get X plus 50 is equal to 95. That means you get X is equal to 95 minus 50, which is equal to 45. So your unknown observation is 45. Okay. Now my question to you is that if they ask you after calculation of median, if they ask you what is the mean, then can you calculate the mean? Will you be able to calculate the mean? If they ask you, say, let's say in the question they ask you, hence find the mean. Will you be able to
Yes,
calculate the
sir.
mean? How? You just put the value of X here. Okay. So note. You write down the observation. The given observations are what are the observations? 17, 21, 23. 29, 39, 40. And you have X. X you have already found. How much is the value of X? 45. You write instead of X, you write 45. Okay. And then you have 50, 51, 54. And 59, 67, 91, and 93. These are the observations. So once you have found X, you are able to list all the observations. Okay, now how do you find out the mean? Find out summation X. Summation X, add up all the values. 17 plus 21 plus 23 plus and so on, or add up all the values. Okay. So you'll get the addition. I'm not sure. Let me check what the addition of these is. 679. All these will add up to 679. Okay. So therefore mean X bar will be equal to summation X divided by N. Summation X you found about 675. And how many observations were given to you? There were 14 observations. Okay. This is 679, not 675. Okay. Divided by 14 will give you 48.5. I think it will cancel with 7. Okay. Yes, 7 to 9, 95, 97. Okay, and 97 by 2 will give 48.5. Okay, so if in the question, if it is given to you an unknown observation and the median is given to you, you can calculate the unknown observation, and then you can find out the value of the mean also. Okay, in this question it was not given find out the mean, but if it is given, you can always find out the mean in this manner. Okay, let's work out the next question on median.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at last, sir, I have many questions.
At last. So let's see. The next question is, the following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 13, find the value of X. Now this question is very similar to the last one. So I guess you can tell me something about this, right? You can based on your last question, you can give me some idea how to do this. The given observations in ascending order. Are 3, 6, 7, 10, X, X plus 4, 19, 20, 25, 28. Okay. Count the number of observations. Here, how many observations are given? 10 observations are given. 10 is even. Right? Okay. So now you must tell me which formula to apply. What should be the median? Tell me. Anyone?
N by 2.
N by 2. Observation.
Plus. N by 2 plus 1.
N by 2 plus 1th observation. What else?
By 2.
Whole divided by 2. Okay. So now put the values here. 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, which is 10 by 2 is 5. So 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. Now from the left hand side, start counting. Which one is the fifth observation? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth observation is x. And the sixth observation is just after x, which is x plus 4. So you get x plus 4 here, divided by 2, which you get as 2x plus 4 divided by 2. Now you can take the HCF from 2x plus 4. Twice you can take out. You can write this as x plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 here cancel. So median you're getting as x plus 2. But what is the median given in the question? 13. So according to a problem, x plus 2 is equal to 13. Therefore, x must be equal to 13 minus 2. That means x must be equal to 11. And that's your answer. Okay. And if in the second part, if they ask you find the mean of the observations, you can find out the mean of the observations also, right? Right. Now, there's a
Yes,
second
sir.
set of problems that I had sent you. Now, in this second set, as I told you 2 years back, there was an examination. Okay. And certain questions were given from these 2 years back examination. This examination was conducted from the board. Okay. And these were the questions that were given. So for the hill schools, you had a different set of question paper. And for the schools in the plain, they had a different set of questions. So these are the certain questions that I have sent you. Okay. And I think these questions are all the types that I have already discussed. Okay. So I would request you to go through these types of questions, because this is the type of question that you'll be getting from this part. There you'll definitely get one question from mean and median. And this is one is easy. So I hope you'll be able to do this without much difficulty. Go through this. If any part that you're not able to understand, let me know tomorrow. Okay. So I'll stop here today.